What face size drives the most clicks in YouTube thumbnails? Is it going to be like a small face in the corner? Is it going to be a medium size shot or a super close up with your face or some character's face super huge in the thumbnail? Well, instead of just guessing which face size in your thumbnails is going to get more clicks, you can literally just look at the numbers using TubeBuddy's new click magnet tool. It's freaking incredible. Check it out. All right. To find the TubeBuddy tool in YouTube, just go up to the top right-hand corner and you'll see the icon here, and you can access this tool. If you don't already have TubeBuddy, it's really simple to pick up. It's a free download, tubebuddy.com/awallversus, AWALLVS. Link in the description below to my affiliate link where I get credit if you install. Okay, once you've installed TubeBuddy, click the TubeBuddy tab up here in the top right-hand corner and do the drop-down menu. When you scroll down, go to Click Magnet. Click that, and it'll pull up this menu where it's going to ask for permission to pull all of the data on your channel to be able to help you assess what size face you want to use in your thumbnails to get a better click-through rate. Click Get Started. It starts pulling all of that data. It starts packaging it for you so that it is together in a way that you can understand. What you're going to look at here is the Element Inspector, and when you click on that, it'll pull up a bunch of different options. The tab that we're going to focus on today is going to be the Sizes tab over here under Faces, where you can actually literally see the different sizes of your thumbnails. So if you look at these examples over here on the side, what they mean by a close-up is like this Morgan Freeman one where his face is literally cut off on the top and bottom. It's so big. Medium shot is where your face is pretty much all of the vertical space in the thumbnail, and a long shot is where your face is a tiny portion of the thumbnail. And it's going to differentiate between these three types. So what you see here on my channel actually is that my average click-through rate when I have a close-up, an extremely huge face in my thumbnail, actually has the highest click-through rate. And if you kind of want to get an idea of what that looks like in your videos, you can scroll over these columns and it'll show you the examples of those thumbnails so you can understand. Where my face was super huge in the thumbnails got the most clicks. The second most clicks for me was a long shot where I'm a bit further back, and there's smaller versions of me, interestingly. And then the medium shot, which is the shot that is most commonly used on YouTube, actually was performing the third worst out of all of these. And then it even shows you an option where if there's mixed sizes with multiple different faces in the thumbnail of different varying sizes, how that performed if you were lining up multiple characters or people in your thumbnails. So why are you guessing what the correct or best thumbnail composition is for your channel when you can literally just see it right here in TubeBuddy? It's absolutely phenomenal. I recommend that you go test out this tool, get this data. It can push you in the right direction. And just because the data tells you something like, for example, close-ups are the best, doesn't mean that 100% of your thumbnails should be extreme close-ups of your face. You should test on future videos close-ups. And you should do A/B tests using TubeBuddy Legend to see if those close-up versions of the face versus a medium shot or long shot perform better. Always follow the data. YouTube's algorithm is a machine learning algorithm. So you need to operate your YouTube channel and how you optimize your videos and your thumbnails like a machine as well, because you're not dealing with a person here, you're dealing with a computer essentially that's deciding whether your video is going to perform well or not. If you go by the numbers, you probably want to look at Click Magnet with TubeBuddy. Affiliate link in the description below. Enjoy using the tool and let me know if you like it.